Hi everyone! Let's count to 10 using this number block puzzle. Let's look for number 1. There it is. One. O-N-E. 1. Let's put it right here. Now let's look for number 2. There it is. 2. T-W-O. 2. Now let's put it next to the 1. Looking for number 3. Here it is. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Let's place it down over here. Now let's look for number 4. Found it. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Next to the 3 it goes. Time to find number 5. Here it is. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 5 goes here. Now let's move on to the other side. We need number 6. Here's number 6. 6. S-I-X. 6. 6 goes here. Now for number 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Let's put it up here. Now where's number 8? Here it is. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 8 goes next to the 7. Now for number 9. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Here it goes. It's almost complete. We just need number 10. 10. T-E-N. 10. Here it goes. Let's fill in the missing pieces. Our hands are complete. Thank you for helping me.